What's going on, Breezy? It's your boy EliBreazy coming back to you guys with another banger on the channel for today's video. If y'all did see that title and thumbnail, so basically I don't know what I named this video, but y'all know we do got the 5.7, we got mine, stuff right there. But look, I gotta show y'all something. So we got my homie right here. His name is Logan.
What's up? What's up?
So basically tell him about what you got, bro.
So we got a Challenger SRTA first edition, 6.0 liter Hemi, pushing 450.
Damn.
It's pretty much stock besides the cold air intake, and I pretty much just done a little bit on the outside with the red wheels and the red lights and stuff like that.
Yeah, this baby cold, this baby cold.
Got it.
But yeah, y'all, so he do got a Challenger, you know what I'm saying? His pushing more than mine. I just got a 5.7 pushing like 390, something like that. But now we got Cameron. He gonna show what he got.
I got a 6.2 liter LS3 that I bought a brand new engine, put an intake on it, headers, full throttle. Got a 92mm throttle body, full exhaust all the way back. Shipped it to Texas, got it too.
Damn.
Pushing around 550.
Damn, pushing 500 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what that means, but yeah, he got like 4 seats and stuff on it. You know, he got like chrome rims and stuff, and then he got red rims in his, and then, you know, there's the back. He got the SRT8, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, custom license plate. And then he got a Camero, you know what I'm saying? Same thing, but his was faster and stuff like that. So basically in speed, like it first goes his Camero, and then it goes Logan's, and then it goes mine, you know, because mine's stock and stuff like that, because I just got it, but we doing some extra stuff to it. But I think they was talking about that they want to do some pulls and stuff like that, so it's probably like the first thing that we'll do. Are you gonna leave yours here?
Yeah. Park it.
You're gonna leave it here? All right, bet. And then but look at a little baby BMW over there trying to make some smoke. All right, bet. So look, yeah. All right, so if you just want to park, and then I don't know, do you know anywhere you want to do pools? Because bro, I'm not like really good with it, to be honest.
We'll go on power.
Bet, yeah.
I'm not gonna speed.
Yeah. Me neither. Yeah. But yeah, I'll just follow you, cause I'm just recording.
I'll take you for a ride.
Oh, bet. All right, we'll do that. I'm gonna move mine just in case.
Yeah.
Look, I had to turn on my camera and stuff, but I'm leaving my Charger, and then he leaving his Challenger and stuff like that. And then we are gonna take Cameron's car, you know what I'm saying? And then when we get back to the car,
Yeah, I'm going powers.
Oh shit, bro.
This thing is so low.
Yeah, it's different. It's
Low, and it doesn't weigh that much.
Yeah, it's 3306.
Holy shit.
Logan's is like what, 44?
Yeah, I think mine's like 45 or something.
Yeah. This does 10.9 at 131 in the quarter.
Really?
Yeah. My dad's a cop.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I haven't been caught yet.
Really?
Yeah.
What, this manual?
Yeah. 6-speed.
Shit.
Pull on the on-ramp to get on the powers, or the turn lane.
Bet. Yo, Logan, you know, in like a few months or something like that, I think maybe like 6 months, but around graduation, I'm trading in my Charger, and I'm gonna go get a Hellcat Red Eye. Yeah, bet. Oh yeah, that bitch cool.
Yeah,
pulls. It pulls.
Of course, there has to be traffic, bro.
Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, but this shit pulls. And it feels like it pulls more just because you have a manual.
Yeah.
Like,
It's instant. Just hits.
oh yeah, most definitely. Yeah, this thing, yeah. Logan, you know I've never been in your car before.
Really?
Yeah.
Take them for some pulls.
Bet. I mean, if y'all want to all exchange, I'm down. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this on my main channel or my new car channel.
Probably the car channel.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna upload on my car channel. I noticed my car videos are like does not. I mean, it does okay on my regular channel, but I don't like to upload car videos on my regular channel because my fans don't like to watch it.
Oh, Logan, I'll do that jerk thing in a minute. Oh yeah. You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. If I'm being real with you, like dead ass, like not for the camera or nothing, I feel like I could beat you in the race.
I don't.
Like
Straight up, I don't.
Like dead ass. I don't know if it's just because I'm in a different car or something like that. Like, but
This car gets cooking, dude. He dusts me. He puts me into the Applebee's.
really?
Yeah, I can't keep up with it. It also seems like a lot slower when you're like in the car.
Yeah, it feels different.
Yeah.
In the car. Yeah, it feels different.
Oh, yeah.
It's like my car could be going like 120 and it feels like 10.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do that little thing when we take this corner.
What grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
Oh, you're a junior? Oh shit.
Yeah.
What about you, Logan? You're a junior too?
Yep.
Y'all both 17?
No, I'm 16.
Oh shit.
I don't turn 17 till 420.
Well, I can use you for some good ass clickbait. You're like 16-year-old has 500 horsepower.
Damn, where was I last year? Oh wait, I was pulling my motor.
15,000. Bro, see, that's the thing. A lot of people is asking me like, oh yeah, because I have a lot of fans, bro, that love cars, and they've been like, yo, why don't you just like throw like a 6.2 in my car and then you know change a bunch of stuff like the brakes and all that. But it's like, bro, if I'm gonna go put that type of money, I might as well just go ahead and upgrade to something else.
Yeah, and you also get like if you buy like that engine,
You ready?
get all the insurance and stuff for it.
Hell, oh yeah, yeah.
Logan, you ready? Take this corner.
What the fuck? He bit my camera, my camera screen.
Oh, shit is 8.
It pulled, like, it definitely it definitely pulls your neck though, I ain't gonna count. You doing that shit on purpose. Yeah, it pulls, bro. Damn. I didn't think it was gonna be like this, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
coming from like, cause I've never driven really a Camero, coming from a Charger.
Yeah.
But yeah, yo, what do y'all want to drive now?
SRT 8.
SRT 8.
You wanna go there? Bet.
Yes, sir.